We took a short flight of the mini drone to capture the third dimension of a popular fishing lake in the local area. Miramonte Reservoir is a very spectacular sight from above. The scenery is stunning and I am glad I captured it. Please enjoy flying with us as we tour this scenic area. We get a clear look of Lone Cone Mountain. Other peaks of the Southern Rockies can be seen in the distance as well. Please sit back and enjoy the scenery and music. Peace. Thank you for watching and flying with us on the spectacular visual treat. I hope you take time to plan a visit. This area offers scenery not quite like other areas I have ever seen, and I have been around a bit. Thanks and have a great day.